In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a file in Google Drive, and transferring ownership is a great way to manage your documents if you're transitioning responsibilities or need someone else to fully manage a file. Let's dive right in with the first step. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the correct account that owns the file you want to transfer. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Google Drive homepage where you can see all your files neatly organized. Find the file you want to transfer ownership of and right-click on it. This right-click will open a context menu with various options. From this menu, select the option labeled Share. This is going to open a new window where we can manage sharing settings for the file. In this new share window, look for the section that allows you to add people or groups. If the new owner hasn't been shared with yet, simply enter their Google account email here. After typing in the email address, press the Enter key on your keyboard to add them to the list of collaborators. Next to the email address of the person you just added, you'll see a drop-down menu showing their current permissions, likely set to Editor by default. Click on this drop-down and look for an option that says Transfer Ownership. You'll need to select this option to initiate the process of transferring ownership. A message will pop up asking you to confirm your decision because once you transfer ownership, you'll no longer have full control over the document. Make sure you're certain about this before proceeding. If you're confident, click on the option that says Send Invitation. This will send an email to the new owner, inviting them to accept the ownership transfer. Finally, after you've sent the invitation, you'll need to click Done to close the share window. And with that last click, you've successfully initiated the ownership transfer of your file in Google Drive. Remember, the recipient needs to accept the invitation before the transfer is completed, so keep a lookout for any email confirmations they might need to respond to. This process, while straightforward, is crucial for efficient document management and ensures that all parties have the correct permissions for collaboration. I hope this tutorial makes things smooth and seamless as you manage your files. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more how-to videos just like this one.